Today we're going to learn about Zentangles. And a Zentangle is just an easy, fun, relaxing way to create structured patterns on a piece of paper. So all you're going to need is a piece of paper. It could be the back of a homework paper. It could be in a sketchbook. It could be any colored paper you have, a magazine, a newspaper. All you need is a surface to draw on and a pen. And so let's get started. The first thing we want to do is think about a line to start with. We want to divide our paper up into sections to put our easy and fun, relaxing patterns inside of. So you could do something as easy as intersecting lines across your paper in organic ways, and then filling each of those spaces with a pattern. So once you have created the sectioned off area that you're going to create your individual Zentangle patterns within, it's time to begin. So one of the easiest patterns, I think, is using a curved line that bubbles up and repeating that, hitting the center of the curved line before it to create an interesting pattern, almost like a feather going up your paper. And then to add an extra element, I'm going to add another curved line inside each of those curved lines. And then I'm going to color in a solid shape inside, matching the curved lines that I've created. And I'm going to speed this up so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. Alright, so first things first, shake your hand out. That was a lot of good drawing. Make sure you stretch out your fingers, give your hand a break, and then it's time to try our next pattern. Okay, for our next pattern, I'm going to try squares. And to do this, I'm going to divide my one section up using diagonal parallel lines going from the center all the way out to the edge. Once I've divided this up, then I'm going to fill each square, and I'll choose the biggest area so you can see. I'm going to draw, and you can decide, I'm going to do 5 vertical lines, one square filled in, and repeat that pattern until I get to the edge. Then, to make sure that it's not all lined up, I'm going to start my vertical line pattern wherever there is a square. And then I'm going to repeat this until my section is filled. Keep filling each of the sections with a structured pattern. Get ideas from the idea sheets, or you can even Google Zentangle patterns until your paper is all the way filled to create your Zentangle. And remember, stretch that hand out, shake it out, give your hand a rest, a few stretching exercises before continuing on. You can also break up this lesson into sections. So for example, for this Zentangle, I did this over 3 nights. So it's up to you. I can't wait to see what you create.